In a world that screams hustle harder, do you ever stop in the quiet moments and wonder, is this all there is? You've chased success. You've ticked the boxes, but a strange feeling of emptiness still chases you. What if I told you that your greatest enemy isn't the competition or the market, but someone much closer? Today, let's uncover that truth together. Have you ever looked up at the sky on a dark, lonely night and wondered, what is the meaning of my existence in this infinite universe? Why so much suffering, so much game of gain and loss? Or even amid busy work in the light of day, a void suddenly comes and swallows you. What happens when it seems like nothing is there? Do these chapters of life sound familiar? If the answer is yes, then you are not alone. Millions of people in this world face an invisible war every day, where the enemies are not outside, but hidden within. And what if the key to winning this war could be handed over to you? Nowadays, countless people go through sad days. They give different reasons for their sadness, sometimes lack, sometimes relationships, sometimes broken dreams. Most of the time, we blame others for our sadness, blame circumstances, or curse fate. But have you ever thought that the reason for your sadness is actually yourself? Although this question may seem difficult to hear, its answer can reveal the hidden power within you. Whatever the reason for your sadness, you have to be the reason for your happiness. When you can realize this ultimate truth, only then will your life start turning around. Remember, happiness is a feeling, which is not a market product that can be bought with money. If it were, then even the richest people in the world would not suffer from extreme sadness and depression. This is because the address of happiness was not in their bank balance, but in the depths of their souls. To live a happy life and find joy in every moment of life, you need to master 5 habits. When these habits become a part of every breath of your life, then no power in the world can deprive you of happiness. First, faith. Believe that this world is being run by a great being. Every particle of this universe is part of an infinite plan. Maybe at some point in your life, it may seem that whatever is happening is not for your good. But after a while, when you look back, you will understand that what happened was actually for the good. Maybe that push has led you to a new path. Whatever happens for the good. This belief will teach you to remain stable in the face of every adversity. It will keep your inner peace intact because you know that nothing in this universe is accidental. Second, give up thinking about what people will say. Thousands of people fail in life simply because they give too much importance to the opinions of others. As the American philosopher Ralph Waldo Emerson said, to be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. They sacrifice their dreams to look good in the eyes of others. Remember, no one in this world can be your true self except your parents and the Creator. Why waste your precious time, energy, and peace of mind on the words of those who do not wish you well? When you can free yourself from people's opinions, you can discover your true self and create your own path. Third, start keeping yourself busy. Be so busy that you have no time to be sad. An idle mind is a factory of depression and negativity. When your mind is not busy with any positive activity, it is preoccupied with unnecessary thoughts of the past or the future. So, keep yourself busy with some activity or the other, be it studying, learning a new skill, or doing something you love. Not aimless busyness, but engage yourself in meaningful and purposeful activity. This not only keeps sadness away, but also enriches your life. Fourth, avoid overthinking and clinging to the past. We often overthink the future and regret the past. But a famous quote by Eleanor Roosevelt is, "Yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, today is a gift of God," which is why we call it the present. People cry over and over again when they remember a sorrow, but they do not laugh over and over again when they hear a joke. The past can be our teacher in life, but it is not a prison. We cannot change what has happened. So, learn from the past, but live in the present. Enjoy the present. Prepare for the future. But do not let that preparation rob you of the joy of the present. Learn from the past, but live in the present. Fifth, stop comparing. Theodore Roosevelt once said, "Comparison is the thief of joy." When people compare themselves with others, they feel the smallest. This is a serious mental disorder that destroys self-confidence. Remember, you are unique. The Creator sent each person individually with their own talents and strengths. Do not compare your weaknesses with the good sides of others. Instead, compete with yourself. The real test is how much better you are today than you were yesterday. Be grateful for what you have in your life. Believe that even right now, there is someone somewhere in the world who is praying for you to be in your current situation. So never feel worthless. Make these 5 habits a part of your life. It may be difficult at first because it is not easy to break old habits. But once they become an integral part of your life, you will see that happiness will kiss your feet. Your journey to inner peace begins now. You don't need to make a huge change in a day. Just take a small step. Which of these 5 habits will you focus on practicing this week? Declare it in the comments below. By sharing your commitment, you will not only inspire others, but also strengthen your own resolve. And if you liked this message, share it with someone who may be fighting their own silent battle. Let's create a wave of hope together. Don't forget to subscribe for more such messages to strengthen your journey.